Okay, so day 3, I'm gonna make it real quick. We're in a hurry, I don't know why. Just gotta brush my teeth. We're gonna go way down the river. I don't know, we're gonna see if it's good or not. So far the lower part was better than the upper part, but hard to say after 2 days. I don't feel too good, my hand hurts a lot and doesn't help with sleeping, but yeah. We'll see. Let's go. Can I have some? So yeah, just got some cream for my hand, maybe it helps. Can't get much worse, I think. Yeah, so just hope for one big fish again. We'll see. Well, I gotta go. Let's go. Day 3 is done, or washed away, I'd say, because it's raining like hell since the early afternoon, which is really not good. And, well, yeah, the morning started pretty good weather-wise. It was finally sunny and got pretty hot, which I was hoping for until I realized that it's really hot. But yeah, I was hoping that would activate the fish, but that usually takes some time to get the water heated up, and before that did happen, it already started raining. So pretty slow day, and disappointing day, I would say, and caught a couple small fish, but that's about it. I really hope the best for the last 2 days to catch at least another good fish. Mission 20 pound plus is still on, of course, but I mean, if you look at it honestly, with the rain, if it continues like that, the water level might even rise, which would really suck, because then yeah, fish usually almost completely shut down, and I mean, they weren't like highly active so far anyways. So yeah, I don't know if it's me or looking back at the last trip where I had like really bad luck already condition wise, and now this again. And I mean, on other fishing adventures in the past I wasn't too lucky neither. So yeah, I'm really asking myself what it takes for me to get like a really good day of fishing again. I mean, on one side I'm pretty privileged, or very privileged, to even be able to do such trips, but then if you just like save up all your money for a year, or on this trip now I didn't even have all the money, so I had to borrow some to take this special opportunity, and then it ends up like that. It's just, yeah, kind of disappointing, or really disappointing, and that peacock bass fishing means a lot to me, and then it's just like hard to accept that it seems that I can't get like just like decent conditions. At least, I mean, I don't expect the fish to jump in the boat, or that I get like all the big ones, or even several a day or whatever, but at least like some action would be cool, or some decent fishing from time to time. But yeah, it is how it is, and I always say to each what he or she deserves, and I know how I deserved it, but apparently I do. For now, I'm just like trying to dry up all my shit because everything's wet right now. And on a brighter note, my hand like still looks shit, but it already feels way better. This morning, the other guys from the group like were really nice, and like everybody offered me creams and shit, and in the end we ended up cleaning and disinfecting everything. One of them gave me some pills that I took, and yeah, I can finally move my hand again. Like all the pressure is gone. Even it still looks pretty ugly, but at least it doesn't feel like it's gonna explode. So I hope tonight I'm gonna get some more sleep as the night before. So yeah, day 3, fishing wise pretty shitty, weather wise even shittier, but we're not giving up, of course. 2 days to go to catch a 20-pound plus peacock bass or more. Still hoping for the best, and sooner or later I gotta have a good day of fishing again. Maybe on this trip, maybe on another. We'll see. Peace. Day 4. My hands are getting better. No time to complain. Let's get them.
Tragátelo.
Mariposa.
Big one.
Grande, grande, grande.
see? Oh, beautiful one. Yes. Good. 9 pounds. Good.
Ça, c'est bien dit que tu trouvais plus ça.
Non. Ouais. Moi, j'ai cherché. J'ai trouvé un shop là en Allemagne.
Ouais.
Ils ont listé un dans le shop.
Dans la note, ouais.
Et j'ai écrit un email. Et il m'a dit, bon, j'ai comme 20 paquets là. Mais c'est à rien ça. Et j'ai dit, bon, je prends tout.
Bah ouais, pas si petit.
Oh. Ai, que puta.
Fever dream is over. Yeah, last day is done. No, for once I'm not even sad that we go home. Of course, I still would want to fish, but with these conditions, it really doesn't make a lot of sense. The morning wasn't actually too bad. It started really awesome. I caught my new personal best butterfly peacock with 9 pounds, which is very cool. I was really happy about that, and I even caught a normal 3-bar one after that, a decent one. So it looked like activity would turn on, and I even got a couple followers and even lost a very good fish on this thing here. But after that, like from noon on, was just off. I got like another 1 or 2 followers, and that was it. And my partner on the boat didn't catch nothing at all. He had like 1 blow up in the afternoon on a wood chopper, which was pretty cool. It was huge ass fish, and we thought that maybe they would turn on for the afternoon activity, but it wasn't like that. And yeah, then somehow our guide decided to leave even earlier than usual. I don't know why, but I know, I already packed my shit. I'm ready to go home. Yeah, I'm really not looking forward to all the flights. Well, but yeah, as part of the trip, really wasn't what I was hoping for or what I expected. It was terrible. Yesterday I put some sticks in the sand to observe the water level overnight, and it was rising, or like it indicated that it rose overnight even, so yeah, if that happens, it happened to me before, and it was always really shitty. There's not much we can do. I mean, I know there's fish around here. I think I have seen like a tiny portion of what's swimming around here this week due to their inactivity. But yeah, as I said before, that's fishing, and sometimes it sucks and sometimes it doesn't. Yeah, somehow I'm gonna try to come back or do other Peacock Bass trips for sure. It's always hard if it doesn't work out, or I take it harder than I probably should mentally. But those fish and the fishing here means a lot to me, and I still hope to one day catch a real giant. So yeah, I'm gonna keep on trying. Don't know how and when, and especially how I'm gonna afford another trip. But yeah, just gotta save up again, I guess, and I hope that's soon. But with the prices rising everywhere, it's gonna be difficult. But yeah, I'm gonna try my best and be back out here or in another place, I don't know yet. Whatever opportunity comes towards me, I'm gonna take. So yeah, thanks for watching if you watched it, and if you didn't, thanks for nothing. Peace.